Okay, so today I thought I would show you how I make a nice gradient, and we'll use a stencil to make some fun, super fun collage material. So I'm going to use, this is quinacridone magenta. I'm going to start with that, and I'm going to use turquoise blue. Let's do that one too. So I'm just putting a little bit of paint on either side of the plate. And I'm going to start with one brayer. We're going to roll out one color kind of on one side. So I'm going for a nice even coating on that one side. And then with another brayer, I'm going to roll out the other color, making sure not to mix them right away. Gonna get a nice even color on that side, and then I'm just kind of move my brayer over as I go, and they kind of mix together in the middle. So you can see with these two colors I'm getting a nice purple color just by moving this brayer back and forth a little bit. The key with gradients is you always want to roll in one direction. Don't change it up like you would normally do. Okay, I'm going to put my stencil on and pull the print, see what we get here. Let's go this way so maybe you can see that a little bit better. Now look at that. We got purple fading into blue. Okay, let's take the other ghost print too, just because that's always fun. Look at that. So much fun. That's going to be great for collage. And then I have this little outline left. So I'm going to pick that up too. Let's use just a white paint for that. Just a tiny little bit for a pickup print. Okay, let's pull it. Very subtle. Let's just pick it up the leftover paint though. So, Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.